And these are over the ear, right? And what I mean is like they don't go inside your ear tunnel or anything else. You don't have to worry about wax. You could actually share these, more sanitized too also. Now the great thing about these is that they're a little bit more waterproof than the basic ones. You could do a lot of workout, walking, jogging. Right now I'm gonna show you a little bit more what you can do. So this is how they look like. They look like little dumbbells, if you guys can see that, but that's because they actually clip to your ear. So they don't, like I said, they don't go into your ear, they actually stay out. And clearly when you close them up, it has a little LCD screen right here that shows you exactly how much percentage of the actual charge you have. And then plus you got this charging station that will give you additional couple more hours on it too. So the device itself has a Type-C in the back, all right, LCD screen in the front. It tells you left and right which ones needs to be charged, and easy to access. Now let me see how comfortable they are. So if you ever put these on, don't go into your ear tunnel, and we're going to test out if they work good for glasses, because I wear glasses. All right, so you got your right, and the smaller part is the one that goes in the actual near the ear canal. All right, so that's where you want to hear. So if you guys can see, they look almost like earrings, and of course they sync up pretty good. You can hear they're really loud. At my end they're loud, but if you want you could turn it down. Now they're touch, right? So meaning that phone calls, let's see with the glasses now. With the phone calls you could answer, you could change the actual volume control, you could hang up. These are perfect so for joggers and runners and people that are walking in downtown LA and don't know their surrounding. They're perfect because they don't go into your ear where it completely locks out any kind of audio or sounds. Because if you're walking the street and there's a car running fast or runs the red light, you're at least going to hear and see it. If you had the other types of headphones, you're not be able to hear that stuff, and you might get into an accident. So it's best to walk and know your surroundings. If somebody's walking behind you, traffic, somebody's asking you questions, you're going to be able to hear this. Now it's not recommended to use these when you're driving, you know, because you're already supposed to be paying attention to the road. They're good for running, jogging, exercising, and maybe walking certain areas that you know you want to hear your surroundings. So these are perfect. They're light, you don't feel any weight on them, and of course they're gonna last you a long time with the charge. And those that want to work out and run, look at this, they hang in really tight because they kind of lock into the actual ear. All right, now these will be perfect for people that have different shaped ears too. So if you guys ever want to check them out. And now we're going to do a sound test on them so you guys can hear what I'm listening to. All right, let's go ahead and do that. All you got to do is this part, because it has the speaker and the mic, goes into the ear part like this, hang it in there. All right, this you can move it, adjust it however you want. As long as this part's here, it's going to be hanging there. So this is a little silicone ear that I have for demo purposes, because we're also going to use the speaker to actually a microphone that has a built-in into the actual ear to listen to the quality of the actual audio. That's what we're going to do too. Highly recommend you download the app, enable it, update it, do the setup. So as you can see out of the box, it says click to connect. We're going to click to connect, automatically found them. Those are the ones that we want. Connect to the actual TOZO. It tells you you have the same abilities of controlling some functions on the actual TOZO itself, but here it gives you a lot more things like AI, all right, translations, time translations. You have AI chat, simulations, meetings, recording, and so forth. Right, so the audio is going to go through the ear right now. That's why I'm talking to the ear right now. So I'm going to take you guys into a live stream that I had. To be honest with you, I'm not going to lie to you. It's a really good computer. I personally use it. Like hear I built a lot of rigs, like, you know. It's all the way up. Oh, shoot, I hate this. But right now we're. And I'm just showing you the audio quality. If it's a dud, that means they sold me something that, you know, cheap, inexpensive, but we do need another HDMI, so give me a sec. This is gonna last you a whole shift. If you work day to night on a shift, 8-hour shift, you'll be able to handle that because the charging station is another plus. So overall, you guys are in need of something similar to what I'm doing. I'm taking my walks. At the same time, we're doing you guys a favor by showing you guys the actual hardware itself in being used on my daily walk. So hope you guys enjoy this video.